how to write better prompts for Kling AI. If you want to write better prompts for Kling AI, it is very simple to do so. I just follow a one-step formula in this case. So the thing is that the better you are at prompt, the better the output and your video is going to be at the end. Now the formula, especially for video generation, is first of all subject and the detailed appearance of this subject. So exactly what is the subject of your video and the detailed appearance as well. The second is a specific action in beats. So make sure what the subject is actually doing and its action as well. Then the setting and the context of the action. So under what circumstances is the action taking place. The third and the fourth one is camera movement. So you want to specify under which degree the camera is being moved, the distances between the subject and the camera, the focal length, and all of those different type of features as well as also the light and the texture of the particular type of footage that you are looking for. So the better you are at detailing these prompts and specifically exactly how you might want it, the better the output of your video is going to be. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.